Hi everyone. Today we're going to review the Festivities Menu section located at the top toolbar in your Festivities and Menu section. Once you've listed out all of your festivities, you'll be able to create the menu for them in your Menu section. You'll be able to select your festivity here in the top right. Today's example is going to be Payal and Suraj's Mehndi night. You'll be able to curate your festivities salad, appetizer, main entree, dessert, and drink sections. And so how you would add new items to each section, you can go ahead and click on add item located up here at the top. Go ahead and add your item name, your type, as well as any sort of notes you may have. Once you go ahead and hit add item, you'll be able to add it to each category, and you can go ahead and export this list and send it to your caterer so they know exactly which menu items need to be put out for which festivity. This is also great for your event planners so they know which items are being put out at what time, because you can leave those notes, as well as any other sort of indicators that you need to send out to these specific vendors.